Hey guys, I tell you what, YouTube's been really fun this past year and a half. Have been uploading several videos over the last about 15 months, and it's been pretty neat. I got a chance to meet some guys online, and now I'm getting ready to be able to actually go out and fish with them. Got to take a friend of mine's boy out, and met a guy, and this is the second time I went out with him, and fortunately we did a lot better. Chris is not too far down the road from me, and he's asked me a couple times to go fishing, so we finally got to go on some nicer water. The first time we went, we didn't do so well, but and then by dumb luck, we're out there fishing, and we run into Tyler off of Chum Boy Outdoors. He's got a YouTube channel as well, and some really good videos. If you get a chance to check out his videos, again, it's Chum Boy Outdoors. I'll try to tag it in the description so you can check it out. But he does a lot more fishing, river fishing, creek fishing, you name it, and so definitely get a chance to check his videos out. Pretty good ones. But again, YouTube's been great to me this last year or so. Just getting a chance to meet people and get to explore a lot of these creeks and put them on these videos, and everything's been really a lot of fun. I actually got interviewed last week by a magazine, and so that's going to be coming out in the next several months. So things are picking up with this YouTube channel stuff, and it's been a lot of fun. Got a chance to go out to this creek a second time when I went to last Friday, and went out with Chris and ran into Tyler, and again, this creek just really did perform. And so I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to end up going out on July 5th again with a buddy of mine, David, who's been on here a few times, and we're going to go fish all day that time. I just don't know when we're going to go yet, or where we're going to go yet. It's been raining, supposed to rain on and off this week, so we'll see how the rain's going to be this week, and then see which creek's going to be the best based upon that and everything. But again, this creek that we've been going to, this is my second time there. It's just been really performing really well. So hope you guys like this video. It's a lot of fun. Got rained on, ran into another YouTuber. I mean, just several things going on with this one, but it was a good time. So talk to you soon. Bye.
There we go. There we go. There we go. About a 9 or 10 incher, maybe 8 or 9. That looks like a rock bat. Is that a rock bass? No, a little large. Oh, no, that's a crappie. That's a crappie. Look at that. That's a keeper. That's about a 9 incher. That's a big crappie, man. About an 8 incher. That's funny. Well, it makes sense with that white worm. They were hitting it. I catch them on the back side of that stuff too, on the tree stumps. Ooh, there you go, another one. Ooh, that's a nice one. That's a nice fish there. Oh yeah. That's a big fish. That's a 2 or 3 pounder. Oh yeah. Yeah, no, that's a toad, dude, right there. That's what we're wanting. That's what we're looking for right there. That's a 14.
I'm not sure he's quite that big.
13, 14 maybe. He's fat.
That's a largie.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
There you go. I couldn't tell. Not too bad. About 11, 10 or 11. Ooh, there we go. Nice. There we go. There we go. Ooh, this is a nice fish. This feels like about 12. Right out in the middle.
I'm watching yours and I just got hit.
Did you? Yeah. Yeah, that was out in the middle. Can't tell if it's a largie or a smallie. In the rain, I like that. I will take that. Ooh, nice smallie. I think. Yeah, that's a smallie. Heck yeah, boy, that's a nice one. Nice smallie, right out in the middle. I will take about 20 of these today. All right, now we're getting into them. About 11, 10 or 11. On a rainy day. Yeah, I think that was right out in the middle. Sucks. It's like, seriously? Man, this looks like a good little stretch here too. Problem is I just can't see in the water to see if there's any fish in it. There we go. Something's biting at me. Had something. Oh, there you go. Nice one. Oh yeah, there you go. Nice. Right off that tree. Oh, right out in front of you? I'll be damned. Ooh, that ain't good. That was a big boom boom. I tell you, that video is going to be kind of neat because you're here, that lightning was right above you. Like as soon as you went down to go get that bass, man, that's nice. That is nice. Come right out of the middle, eh? Knock the heck out of me. Yeah. What's that? Yeah, I know. Nah, I'd see the familiar water, and I ain't seen our water yet. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Nice.
Oh, look at you.
Nice.
One cast, one fish.
Told you they're under these trees. I'm not surprised because that's where I was catching them last week. On these stretches like this, they'd be sitting under these trees. That's a nice smaller right there. And in the super shallow water. Look at that, that's about a 10-incher.
That's real nice.
Uh-huh. Well, you think about it, he's all by himself over here. You know? Yeah, exactly. But that's the way I was doing it last week, was in this super shallow water and the bigger holes, just one after the other. Come on. On this. Oh, there we go. Yeah, but there's 2 or 3 pounders up here. Saw 2 of them. There's some toads up here. Man. I just couldn't convince them to hit me. They're right out in front here. Right there. There are two. I just got that small one right there, but man, there are two nice size smallies right out in front of here. Just ginormous. I don't know where they went, but yeah, they're up in there somewhere. Big fish. Did you miss it?
Yes.
Oh.
Let him hit it twice. He's
Ah.
in his mouth now.
Get him that time?
Yeah.
There you go. Nice little largie. Oh, don't lose that. Yeah, they're up on this bank up here. But I saw two big toads up there. Man, they were big. I don't know where they went, but whew, they were nice.
Well, maybe now that the rain has stopped,
Yeah.
it's going to turn things on.
Yeah, they're going to be banging it. I'm hoping. That's all the rain we get today. I'm fine with that. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. This is a nicer fish. This is a nicer fish. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Yep, that's a 12 or 13. That's a nice smallmouth. Cast up in that hole. There's one or two that were back up in there. Oh yeah, that's a toad. Whew, man. That's what I'm talking about right there. Right there. I know, Biggie. Come on. There we go. That's what we're talking about. Yeah, they're up in that corner up in there. Look at that. That's a nice one, man. That's about a 13 incher. That's right there. That's a pretty one. Whew. Gotta take a picture of that one. If I can get my phone to work. There we go. That'll work. Yeah, this just looked too good of a spot. I thought they'd
This looks like a great spot
be up in here. Yeah. Thought they'd be up in here. I had to mess with my camera. Especially after a rain like this. They're gonna be wanting stuff coming from above. Oh, there you go. Nice one.
Yeah, it's nice and
Yeah. There you go. Oh, yeah. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, yeah. Dude, that's a 13 or 14 inch. Might be a little bit bigger than that. Looks like a largie, doesn't it? Oh, yeah, that's a nice fish. There one following it? Nope. That's a nice fish. Woo! That is a toad. That's a keeper. Yeah, that is a big fish. That white's working.
come back.
Like, nope. I'm having too much fun. Nice. That's a keeper.
That's a real nice.
That is a toad there. Heck yeah. That's a big fish. Oh yeah. Not bad.
Not bad at all.
I told you this creek's pretty damn good.
Oh,
Yeah. And so far it's been pretty easy to fish.
there you go, bud.
That old boy.
Yeah.
That was a hog. Like, I'll eat that. I'm good with that. I'm good with that. Ooh, got something moving up in the water up here. Something moving in the water up here. I'll eat that. That was a good sized bass.
Yes, it was. He hit that as soon as he hit the water.
Oh, no doubt.
Yeah, he hit it as soon as he hit the water.
Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. That's a nice one.
Oh, look at you.
That's about 12 or 13, maybe a little bit bigger. That one's pulling pretty good. Yeah, this is a nice sized fish.
Yes, it is.
Stay on. Smallie? Oh yeah, that's a nice size smallie. About 12. Oh, look at the two behind it. Yeah,
Oh, I can't see.
yeah. There's two right behind it.
I keep doing that. I keep watching you.
Yeah, yeah. No, there's two that are about the same size right behind this fish. I got you, buddy. You're wrong, pal. Whether you like it or not. No, that's a nice size smaller there. There were two following it. White is definitely the color today. White is definitely the color today. Nice 10 or 11 incher. Nice. Yeah, they were right behind it. I caught them on the back side of this. Oh, there we go. Slow down. Oh, I thought I saw one come right up and almost nab you. Ah. There we go. There we go. Ooh. Oh, man, he came off. That was a big fish. That was a big fish. Darn it. That was a nice sized fish. There we go. There we go. Much better. Much better. Got his twin brother right behind him. There we go. Nice. Nice little painted smallie. Yeah. Not bad. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. Yeah, they're right up in this hole. I missed one up there, and then I just banged that one. Hey Chris, remember? You snagged that tree, and there was a crap ton of fish in there. We didn't get a fish that hole. Yeah. Oh, here's a big one. Hit it, hit it, hit it. There it is right there. Nice. Right. Got it. That's about a 13, 14 incher. He came way off the bank. Yeah, camera's on.
Good.
Yeah, he came way off the bank there.
All right.
You're not getting off, pal. He's about 11 or 12. Had a feeling there'd be one back in that hole after you said there was a bunch in there. Oh, come on. Whew, man. Sorry, buddy. Almost got you off of here. You were really lipped. There you go, pal. Not bad. Out of 10. I'm a little tired. Yeah. Ah. Thought another big one.
Long way to go.
Thought another big one would come off that hole. Nope. After you said you saw a bunch in there, I was like, hey, you remember that spot? Where you tried catching the tree? Yeah. I can't remember what my wife told me to do today, but I can remember every damn hole on a creek that I've ever fished. Oh.
Oh, that was a good one.
Yep, nice. It was like fling that thing right out of the water.
He came a long way for that one.
Yeah. I was wondering when we were gonna finally get one in there. Because last week, man, that tree was solid.
Come on.
They come from the underside of that tree or over it?
No, he came from way up here.
Up on the left?
Followed it along.
Yeah.
I mean, he attacked it.
Yeah.
Don't jump. Don't jump.
That's nice. Not bad, guy. Not bad at all. Getting hit by little guys. Boy, those two were hauling butt. Hauling butt somewhere. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Oh, this is a nice one. Yeah, that's a runner. Oh, yeah. About a 9 or 10. Kind of right off that tree. You got a little smallie following him. Or another largie following him. Yeah. I had a feeling you'd be up by that tree. I had a feeling you'd be up by that tree. That might have been where those two smallmouth came from, was this whole hole right here, you know. Another largie. Where are the spots at? I like the spots, man, because they just fight so crazy like. They're like a small weight. I don't mind the large, but man, that spotted bass, one of them things just knocked the heck out of me. Huh. Had one little guy off there. Yeah, we're close to the bridge. Thank God. Finally, Jimmy, that way. Ooh, there's something pushing up right there. Bugs galore on that stretch. Only one little bass off of that tree. Oh, you got one following you? Oh, that was a trap. I know, they're just traveling through here, not hitting.
You followed it and then you just veered off.
Yeah, probably saw you. Oh, there we go. There we go. Ooh. Yeah, they're just moving through here. That's a nice smallmouth. That is a nice smallmouth. Oh, one right behind it. One right behind it, Chris. Throw it right out in front of there. Oh, this is a nice old 11, 12 incher. That was right out in the middle. They're just going up and down this. Yeah, there was one right behind it. About the same size. White is definitely the right color, man. Look at that.
That's a really nice.
Yeah, that I can. I can handle catching a good amount of these. Gee, Medetli. That's a nice smalleye.
Nice fish.
Yeah. That is a beautiful smallmouth. There was one right behind it, the same size. Thank you very much. I love this creek. Yeah, like, this is my creek for the summer, man. That was a beauty. There was one right behind it.
Where to park up by Highway F.
Yeah. Yeah, they're right out in the middle, right out in front. Just cruising this stretch. You had one, oh, there you go. Oh man, I missed it. You had one follow you up, didn't he? Yeah, that one was right out where you're at. Two of them sitting there cruising along. Ah, come on. Snap that one back. Ooh, that was a pretty fish. Caught it right out in the middle. Oh, there you go. Not bad.
It's a little dude.
Yeah, hey man. It keeps you active on these longer stretches, you know. Ooh, there we go. Oh, come on, hit it. Hit it. Oh, there we go. Oh, got it. Oh, I missed it. Come on, hit it again. I missed that fish twice. Missed him twice. Boy, they are really running this bank, that's for sure. We might have got lucky with the rain. Making them really active. It didn't matter last week though, they were so active. They were just boom, boom, boom. Right time of the year. Another one. Oh, there we go. That's a nicer fish. That one's running right towards you. Let's see how big you are. Ooh, yeah, that's another 12. Ooh, nice. Another smallie. Nice. Boy, it's a beautiful creek. You know? Yeah. Oh man, 2 bangers in a row. Nice. Nice. No doubt, they are on this stretch. I'm surprised you're not banging them with that. This is a bigger fish. This one's bigger than that other one. Come on. Yeah, this is a nice one. Right up in the roof of your mouth, didn't it? Yeah, that's about the same size. Boy, what a football. That was a pretty fish. Pretty fish. Whew. Bye, buddy. Thank you very much. Oh, there's my bait too. Perfect. Yeah. Ooh, that's a toad. Holy crap.
There's the one that made this one look tiny.
Yeah. That's a nice 3 or 4 pounder. Nice. There we go. Another one. Smaller. They're right up in that cut. Right there. Nice. Little guy. I'm surprised you haven't got one on that. just the way it's floating. That's, I mean, they're swimming right at the top of the water. Ooh, did you have one come up?
Yeah, we hit it, but reacted too quick.
Yeah.
Just let him take a little bit more.
Yeah, that's the one thing I learned. This looks really good.
This looks really good.
Yeah.
It looks really shallow, but it looks like it's...
But it'll hold them. Yeah, it'll hold them. It'll hold them, hopefully. There we go. Oh, this is a nice one. Yeah, this is a big fish. Yeah. Oh, not too bad. About 10 or 11. I think with the current, it just felt like it was going to be a bigger one, you know. Love that blonde color when they get up in the sunnier spots. Oh, man, come on. Oh, boy, I know. Let me get, there you go. Every time I put my finger in his mouth, he's like, no. Pretty little guy. Yeah, up in there by them trees, there's going to be a beast. At least I hope so.